Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to What's Up Wednesday, where we recap some of the jobs we're working on this week. This project here, we're doing a kitchen and main floor, and I want to focus on the fireplaces here. We have a couple of fireplaces we're replacing, and I want to show you some of the interesting things that have come up along the way here. So this house used to have wood burning fireplaces. They were gas assist, which means they would use gas to light the fire, but it would burn wood. They wanted to switch to gas fireplaces. So we've initially wanted to go with an insert fireplace, which basically inserts into the opening that the existing fireplace had. In this case though, the client wanted linear fireplaces, so a wider, narrower fireplace, and they wouldn't fit within the opening. So then we had to build out into the room. So you can see here we have a built out chase. Here, right, we're about 18 inches of projection into the room. And in this particular space, that was not a problem. Here you can see it'll work well. We're gonna have built-in cabinetry on either side, so it really won't protrude that much further into the room. That was fine. However, as we go into the front living room, the configuration had to change. So here, again, we had the same problem. They wanted the linear gas fireplace. And originally the option was to either build out into the room 18 inches again, which the client wasn't happy with. And you can kind of see on the footprint on the ground here, this would have been how far out it would project into the room. And for a smaller living area, that was a deal breaker for the client. So to be able to push this thing back in, and now we have only a 6-inch bump out here into the room, we had to actually rebuild the existing chimney chase on the exterior, which was made of brick. And that was actually quite a big deal. It's structural brick. We had to set up scaffold, demolish all the brick, reframe a new chimney chase, and now we have the available depth needed in this cavity to be able to set our fireplace back into the opening. I'll take you outside and I'll show you what the process was like to do this. So it's something to consider. There aren't too many options here with these old brick chimney chases. So in this case, the client opted to go for the best possible situation as far as the layout is concerned on the inside, but it also happened to be a ton of work to make it happen. But that was of high importance to the client, so we got her done. Come with me outside here, I'll show you what we're up against. Okay, so here we are outside, and here you can see up behind me, that is the new wood chimney chase. That used to be made of brick. So we had the scaffold set up and we demolished it. You can see a little bit of brick here still that remains around that concrete pad. But now we've reframed a new wood chimney chase and the same configuration as it was originally because it protruded through the roof overhang, and otherwise we would have had to have reframed the roof, done a roof patch. Also, it was brick up against stucco, and to try and do a stucco patch on an older home is almost impossible to make it match. So we reframed the chimney chase in the same configuration. We're gonna clad it in vinyl siding now to match with the trim on the house. And in the end, they can now have that layout in the living room that they wanted originally without having this fireplace chase protrude into the room so far. So there you go. Something to think about when you're considering your fireplace selections. Thanks for tuning in to What's Up Wednesday. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation, the Custom Homes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels, and we will see you next week.